Hello students, in this video we will discuss some more important questions of exercise 12.2. So let's take question number 7. In this question it is given that a chord of a circle with radius 12 centimeter subtend an angle of 120 degree, that find the area of segment so formed, corresponding segment so formed. The corresponding segment will be the minor segment. Now here one thing which we need to note down is that theta is 120 degree, that is theta is greater than 90 degree. So when theta is greater than 90 degree, the area of segment is theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2. Now put the value of r and theta in this formula, then we get the following situation. Now put the value of, now this sin 120 upon 2 will be sin 60 and cos 120 upon 2 will be cos 60. By simplifying it, we get the required result as. Now we need to notice one more thing here, that it is given that value of root 3 is 1.73 and value of pi is 3.14. So put the value of root 3 as 1.73 and take the value of pi as 3.14, otherwise the answer which will come will not match with the required answer. So we have put the same value. By simplifying it, we get the required answer 88.4 centimeter square. Now the next question is question number 9. In this question it is given that a brooch is made with silver wire, and to make this brooch the 5 diameters are equally spaced and placed in the brooch. So we need to find out two things, that the length of wire used to make the brooch and the area of each sector. So first of all, in the question we can observe that for making the brooch, the silver wire is used along the circumference and the 5 diameters that is given in the question. So length of wire will be circumference plus 5 into diameter. Now the circumference is 2 pi r and diameter is 2 r. So in this question it is given that radius is not given. We have given with the diameter, so radius is half of diameter, so r will be 35 upon 2. Now put the values, then we will get the required answer 285 mm. Now in the second part it is given that area of each sector. So area of each sector can be found out with two ways. One of the ways is shown here, as the full circle is divided into 10 equal parts. That means the area of each sector will be 1 upon 10 into area of circle, which is mentioned here. So 1 upon 10 into pi r square. Put the value, then we get 96.25 mm square. The second method is we can find out this angle, that will be 360 upon 10, that is 36 degree. Then applying the formula of the area of sector, we can find the same answer. Now for the next questions, I am explaining the question but not solving the full questions. I am giving the hints how to solve the question. So the question number 10 is, there is an umbrella which have 8 consecutive ribs and we need to find out the area of consecutive ribs. So that will be the area of sector, or we can find out in the similar way as we have find here in the question number 9, as the whole circle is divided into 8 parts. So 8 required area will be 1 upon 8 into area of circle. Now put the value of r, then we get the answer. In the question number 11, it is given that there are 2 car wipers and we need to find out the area swept in the each part. So it is given that the length of the wiper is 25 and angle is 115 degree. So required area will be 2 into area of sector, so 2 into theta upon 360 pi r square. Now the next question is question number 12. In this question it is given that there is a ship which is spreading a light to one. So radius is 16.5 kilometer and the angle is 80 degrees. So put the area of put the values in the area of sector, that is theta upon 360 pi r square, and we get the required result. Now here comes the question number 13, which is very important question. So figure of the question 13 is shown on the board. It is given that there is a round table cover and we need to find the shaded part, that is the area of design, and after that we need to find the cost. So first of all we need to find out the area, and for that we can observe that the one of the shaded part is a segment, and these are 6 equal parts, that is required area is equals to 6 into area of segment. So 6 into theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square upon 2 sin theta. Now by putting the values we can get the required area, and we know that cost equals to rate into area. So by putting the values we will get the required result. Thank you.